Are you unable to complete your IELTS reading test in 1 hour, or you feel that your paper is not completed within 1 hour? Then here is the tip for you. Try to complete the first part in the least amount of time, because the questions, the passages are progressively difficult. So if you spend least amount of time in passage 1, you will be left with more time for the next 2 passages. So my suggestion is you spend 16 to 17 minutes on passage 1, then around 18 to 19 minutes for passage 2, and whatever time is left over, that can be spent on passage number 3. Remember, this will come with practice. So when you're practicing, make sure that you sit with a timer or a stopwatch so that you time how much you spend on which particular passage, also which question types take the maximum amount of your time. Keep practicing. I will come up with more tips. Stay tuned.